IGCSE June 2025, paper 1, question 21. Hopefully you've had a go at a question. There's getting lots of different ways of doing it. You've looked at the mark scheme and you're still not sure how to do it, so I'm going to give you a way to have a go at doing it. Right, so it's a probability question. Right, now what we're not asked is, you're picking 3 counters at random from the box, so that's without replacement. And the probability exactly 2 are the same. So if I think, how can I get red, 2 reds? It can be red, red, not red, red, not red, red, or red, not red, red, red. So those are the ways of getting it. Now, if you think about the first one, the way of getting that would be, well, there's 9 of them, times by 8 remaining, times by the ones that aren't red, which is 11. That would be all over 20 times by 19 times by 18. If I was to work out this one, it would be 9 times 11 times by 8 over the same. So effectively, I can times that by 3. Right? Now, so that tells me how I'm going to work out the reds. Now, if I think about the yellows, exactly the same, yellow, yellow, not red, yellow. There are 7 times 6 times by 13 aren't, over 20 times by 19 times by 18. And I've got 3 ways of getting that. Remember, there are 4 green. So getting the green is 4 times by 3 times by the 16 that are not. So that's 20 over 19 times by 18. And there are 3 combinations of that, so I can times that by 3. So this gives me 2376 over 6840. This gives me 1638 over 6840. This gives me 576 over 6840. So what do we need to do with them? We need to add them. So I'm just going to write 2376 plus 1638 plus 57 that, all over 6840, adding them, which equals, on my calculator, 51 over 76, and that is my answer. Right, so the key thing is to think of, how can I make my pairs of combinations? Right, so let's look at a similar question. There's a similar question for you to do. So thinking about what to do. So thinking about red, how many ways can you select 7 red? Write that down. And so that's what the first way of getting red, red, not red. And how many different combinations are there? So that's 2 reds. Then we've got to do 2 blues. Write your calculation down. Remember, it is 10 less. And how many lots of ways are there of doing it? 3. Remembering there are 3 greens. Write your calculation down. How many left over? There were 15. Take 3. 12. How many lots of that do we want? So what does that give us? It's all out of 2730. So we might as well write those down. Work them out. What do we need to do with those 3 fractions? Write it out. What does that give you? .304 over 455. Right, so there you are. Go back to the website and have a go at the two similar questions. Well done. Brilliant.